नमस्ते दोस्तों, मेरी डिक्टेशन को सुनने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि मेरी हर एक डिक्टेशन आने से पहले आपको नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल जाए। तो शुरू करते हैं कुछ ही देर में। स्टार्ट। सर, कॉमा, नो गवर्नमेंट, कॉमा, नो पार्टी हैज़ एनी मैजिक सॉल्यूशन to those problems, and these problems are going to be with us, comma, the problems of reviving economic growth, comma, the problem of massive unemployment, comma, the problem of resource mobilization, comma, the problem of savings, comma, investment, comma, etc. full stop. The problem of energy, comma, the problem of shortage of power, electrical, comma, hydro and other forms of power, comma, not the political power, full comma, for there is no shortage of political power, full stop, but there is shortage of this power where every scheme of areas, comma, every project of areas, comma, almost every unit of enterprise is road blocked because of the shortage of power and energy, full stop. The problem is of finding a happy combination between hardcore economic policies for economic revival with distributed justice, comma, with constraints on the growth of the kind of economic activity which would deprive merit, comma, how find to this balance and how to revive the economy, full stop. There are massive problems for which we need a massive national effort, comma, and I am pleading for a new national consensus, comma, the path of the public sector enjoying the commanding heights while we retain freedom of enterprise in certain important sectors, full stop. Next para. Sir, comma, the president has also in his speech mentioned the international situation, although in somewhat subdued terms because of the gravity of the situation, full stop. There is no doubt that the international situation is grim, full stop. The psychology of the Cold War is again gripping the big powers, full stop. Sir, comma, we have had an occasion to discuss certain developments on our borders, full stop, Afghanistan and Pakistan, comma, and I have spoken on them at length and I do purpose to repeat those things, comma, but I would like to submit three major factors in the international situation at present, comma, positive and negative, full stop. Only when we understand these, comma, can we involve suitable responses also, full stop. One, comma, is the problem of adjustment to the realities of the new situation, full stop. The new situation is that at one time we saw one power or one sets of powers predominant, comma, dominating the seas, comma, dominating the pathways, and now another power, comma, another set of powers have arisen with an equal measures of power, full stop. To find ponderance of a power, comma, we had the theory of sufficiency of superiority and we had the theory of sufficiency of power here, full stop.